morning, H&H community. This morning I'm going to go over how to wash your face mask. Let's start with the easy one first. You can actually put this right in with your clothes when you are washing your clothes. I'm going to suggest the delicate cycle rather than washing it with your jeans, just because it's a more delicate, it has ear holes. You don't want it to get caught up in. I suggest that you put it in a laundry bag. They sell small laundry zip-up bags, or if all you have is the big one, use the big laundry bag. Just put it in, wash it with the rest of your clothes as normal, and then hang it to dry. So that's the easy way, but not every time you have a whole load of laundry. So let's go over how to hand wash your mask. You're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need a 2 to 4 cup dish, some laundry soap, and a teaspoon measuring cup to make this work. Before you take your mask off, you should wash it. Now that your hands are washed, you can touch your mask. Only grab it by the earpieces. You're going to want to pull that baby off, try not to touch the face, and put it right in the dish. Then you're going to put some warm water in. And 1 teaspoon of laundry detergent. Right, and then all you need to do is stir that around a little bit. I'm just going to use a spoon. And now what you're going to do is let that sit for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes that we've allowed our masks to soak in the laundry solution. So what we're going to do now is scrub it. So you just put your hands in there, roll it around and rub it against itself. Make sure you get all the surfaces inside and out. Once that part is done, we're just going to rinse the mask and then hang it up to dry, and we will be done. Then depending on your mask, it might depend on how long it takes to dry. If it's a real heavy cotton mask, that might take overnight, so you might need 2 masks. With this lightweight polyester one, I bet you this will be dry in half an hour. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.